What's up everyone, JC Tech and Finance here. Today we're going to talk about the Apple Watch Series 6 after doing a quick unboxing. The particular watch we will be looking at is the product red aluminum 44mm version with the red sport band. There are other versions available, including a silver, gold, dark gray or blue version, and you can also get it in the 40mm size. The price ranges from $399 for the 40mm version to $429 for the 44mm version. Keep in mind this is just for the aluminum case. If you upgrade to the Hermes version, that version costs well over $1,000. Now I will do an unboxing right after this. Welcome back. Now let's do an unboxing. You know, the Apple unboxing experience is always such a premium experience, and with each iteration they make it easier and easier to unbox. Let's start right now. So there are two boxes inside. The first box contains the Apple Watch itself, and then the second box contains the band. Let's get the packaging to the side. So opening the box with the Apple Watch, we see that we have the typical normal documentation. It's product red, so there's product red advertising in here. You also get a USB-A charging puck in plastic. You're going to notice something that's missing. You're going to see that there isn't an actual power adapter, which is part of Apple's new green initiative to remove power adapters from boxes. And then finally we have the Apple Watch itself in a plastic case. I'm going to put this to the side while I take out the bands. So next up is the case. Again, it's always pretty easy to unbox. So as is typical, you have the top part of the band and the bottom part in two different sizes, but I'm going to be using the medium large version. Now let's remove the case from its cover. and remove the last bit of packaging. So there you have it, the Apple Watch Series 6. Let's turn it on. So the Apple Watch is dead, so I'm going to need to quickly charge it. 1 second. Okay, and we are back. The watch is partly charged, so let's set up the Apple Watch. Okay, let's set up as a new Apple Watch. Okay, let's speed up the process. Okay, so the watch has finished being set up. So let me replace my Apple Watch SE with the Apple Watch Series 6. Okay, so I finished put on the Apple Watch. It's paired up, and now let's talk a bit about the features. The big feature for this year is the ability to measure your blood oxygen level. Some other features include a 2x brighter display and an always-on altimeter. The battery life is around 18 hours with an improved, faster charge time. Both of these features makes the watch great for sleep tracking at night. The back of the watch has been redesigned with a new sensor to incorporate the new O2 readings. It is made up of 4 LED clusters and 4 photodiodes in the back sapphire crystal window. Green, red, and infrared LEDs shine light onto the blood vessels inside of your wrist. Then the watch measures the amount of light that's reflected back and uses algorithms to calculate the color of your blood, which will give you your O2 reading. Keep in mind that O2 reading should be in the 96% to 99% range. Other features include the U1 chipset and Apple's W3 wireless chip, which means it can do 5 GHz Wi-Fi. The watch is also waterproof up to 50 meters. Who would I recommend this Apple Watch to? I would recommend it to anyone who has owned an Apple Watch Series 4 or earlier model, or who has owned an Apple Watch in the past. And often you can find this watch for sale for $50 to $100 off. I've heard some rumors about the new Apple Watch Series 7, and while there will be a new design and possibly a small amount of improved battery life, there aren't going to be any new health sensors. So really, you'll only be paying for the design. And if you can get the Apple Watch Series 6 for $50 to $100 off, then I would definitely recommend getting the Apple Watch Series 6. If you like this video, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. This is JC Tech and Finance signing off.